Alright, we got our head all put back together, and we're ready to put our wig piece on. This is just fun fur that we're using for that, because I think it'll look pretty cool this way. I always keep my pieces numbered since I work on more than one at a time. I don't want to mess it up and get pieces crossed with other pieces. So what we want to do is, to get our piece that we need, we take a tape here and we measure here to see how big of the piece we need. And then we want to measure down to see how big of a piece we need that way. Then we cut it out that way. I put a line here because I want to know, that tells me where I want to put my piece here on the back. It's got some in the eyes. So we're going to do that, but you want to turn this over to staple it on. That's good. That way when you flip it back, you don't have this line showing. And I always use staples to staple this on. That way if you ever have to get inside, all you do is take the staples out, unscrew these two screws here. This back piece will come off, then you can get inside if you ever have to go in there to make repairs or anything. So that helps you that way. So we're going to take this on around to the side. Staple it here. We'll do the same to the other side. And if you mess up, just take the staples out and start over. That's not going to hurt a thing. So now when we pull this over, that hides that line that we had on there. So we don't have to worry about that. So now that we got the top set, as you can see, what we'll do is we'll work on this bottom. We got to cut this off a little bit. It's a little too long. We have to trim up these sides so it fits better. So we'll work on the rest of this, trimming it up and stapling it on, and then we'll come back with our next step and ready to be working on the body. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.